Hello, fifth graders. Welcome to your math assignment for this week. It's called In the Drawer. This assignment is going to test your ability to manipulate objects in order to complete each statement. You have two objectives today. Number one, revise drawings or make new ones to match mathematical relationships given in words. What this really means is you will be able to cross out, cover up, or change the number of objects on the screen to make a true mathematical statement. Your second objective is to generate equivalent ratios. Many of you have experience with ratios from your classroom teacher. Today we will be showing how to do this using both socks and marbles. Let's take a peek at your assignment for today. You will notice several different items on each slide. The very first item of note is your mathematical statement. For this slide, our job is to take out the fewest socks possible so that there are 3 times as many white socks as blue socks left in the drawer. Perfect. I can always come back and reread this statement as needed. The next item on each slide is the socks or marbles that you will be working with to make the above mathematical statement true. Here I notice there are 2 different socks, 7 blue and 9 white. With these socks, I may need to take some away to make the mathematical statement true. I recall that I need to have 3 times as many white socks as blue socks by taking out the fewest number possible. With my socks on this slide, I need to start figuring out the answer by manipulating the objects. For me, I will simply grab the pen feature on Seesaw and cross out objects as needed. This way I can always erase my work if incorrect. Okay, 7 blue socks and 9 white socks. I need to have at least 3 times as many white socks as blue socks. I really wish I could just take out a bunch of socks and have 1 blue sock and 3 white socks. Unfortunately, the directions say that I need to take out the fewest possible socks to make this true. So I am unable to do that. I will first try to take 1 blue sock away so that I have 6 blue socks and 9 white socks. Thinking about having 3 times as many white socks as blue socks, I know that 6 times 3 is 18, and therefore 6 cannot be the number of blue socks. How about I try taking away 4 blue socks so that there are 3 remaining? I know that 3 times 3 is 9, and there are 9 white socks. Perfect. To complete the slide, I then would need to answer the final questions. How many socks do you need to take out of the drawer? I took out 4 blue socks and 0 white socks. I will write that on the line. And that is how you complete In the Drawer. Good luck.